Hey there, I'm Lydia Walker from rusticsongbird.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how I fingerpick on guitar. If you're learning acoustic guitar and interested in learning how to fingerpick, I just wanted to make a short video about how I do that and some ways that you can start incorporating fingerpicking into your playing. So, when I fingerpick on guitar, I'm not using the scales and doing the exact melody. I'm doing more of what I like to call broken chords, which is playing different strings but keeping the chord the same. For example, if I'm playing a G chord, I'll keep that G formation and then I'll be playing and alternating between the strings, so it sounds something like this. And if you notice, one of the most important things on fingerpicking for me is to anchor my finger. So for my anchor, I'm using my pinky. I've also seen some people use their pinky and their ring finger to anchor right here on the pick guard. So that helps you with muscle memory, because when you get used to playing this way, you don't have to look down and see which string you're picking at. So I anchor with my pinky like this. And going back to the example with the G chord, I'll use my thumb to play the top two strings. And I'll play the string that has the root note. So like if it's in the key of G and I'm playing a G chord, I'll play the 1, which is the root note, with my thumb. That's the G note. And then I'll also pick on the second string with my thumb. And then I use my pointer finger. I'm holding my pick, so I'm going to put my pick down because I'm using my fingers. Let's just have it. So I'll use my thumb for the top two strings. I'll use my pointer finger for the third and fourth string. And then I use my ring finger on the bottom strings. So this is what it looks like when I'm playing what I call a broken chord. Depending on what the rhythm of the song is, it might change. I might play faster or slower, and it throws me off a little bit when I try to slow myself down. But with practice, you just get used to it and you don't even think about it anymore. But I wanted to explain at least a little bit how I learned to help you if you are trying to figure out how to fingerpick. There's a ton of different ways to do this, but I wanted to give you my example. I just find a pattern that I like, and then when I change chords, I just keep that same pattern going, and I'll play the root note of the chord, which if I switch from a G to a C, I would play that C note on the second string with my thumb. And then maybe go back to G. So that's what it looks like when I'm fingerpicking. There's lots of different ways to do this, and I would love to hear your suggestions and your tips of different fingerpicking styles that you've used, and any resources as well that have helped you. So feel free to leave it in the comments, and everybody that's watching can check out the comments as well for more tips. We're all here to help each other, and I hope that this helped you take one step closer in your journey to playing guitar. I hope that you will be fingerpicking like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more guitar videos coming soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Are you a songwriter and want to take your writing to the next level? Sign up for my free 7-day writing challenge, linked in the description below. You will receive a writing prompt in your email each day and also have access to a private Facebook group for feedback and encouragement. Click the link in the description below to get started.